Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is biodecomposer. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. In a few weeks, millions in India will breathe much more polluted air as farmers across northern India burn stubble to clear fields for the winter wheat sowing season. Therefore, scientists at the Indian Agricultural Research Institute developed PUSA biodecomposer. Biodecomposer is a viable solution to this problem of stubble burning. Now let's understand what is biodecomposer. Biodecomposer is a solution which, if sprayed in fields, decomposes straw and stubble into manure. The government sees it as a solution to stubble burning and has also been urging other states to adopt it. The decomposers are in the form of capsules made by extracting fungi strains that help the paddy straw to decompose at a much faster rate than usual. The fungi helps to produce the essential enzymes for the degradation process. A biodecomposer capsule developed by PUSA Institute is made into a solution through a week-long process and then sprayed on stubble and straw left behind on fields after harvesting. Now let's discuss stubble burning. Stubble or parali burning is the act of setting fire to crop residue to remove them from the field to sow the next crop. In order to plant the next winter crop, that is Rabi crop, farmers in Haryana and Punjab have to move in a very short interval, and if they are late due to short winters these days, they might face considerable losses. Therefore, burning is the cheapest and fastest way to get rid of the stubble. If parali is left in the field, pests like termites may attack the upcoming crop. The precarious economic condition of farmers does not allow them to use expensive mechanized methods to remove stubble. Now moving on to the benefits of biodecomposer. The decomposer improves the fertility and productivity of the soil as the stubble works as manure and compost for the crops, and lesser fertilizer consumption is required in the future. The soil loses its richness due to stubble burning, and it also destroys the useful bacteria and fungi in the soil, apart from causing harm to the environment. It is an efficient and effective, cheaper, doable, and practical technique to stop stubble burning. It is an eco-friendly and environmentally useful technology and will contribute to achieving the Swachh Bharat mission. Now lastly, moving on to the question. Consider the following statements. 1. Stubble or parali burning is the act of setting fire to crop residue to remove them from the field to sow the next crop. 2. Biodecomposer is a solution which, if sprayed in fields, decomposes straw and stubble into manure. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. both 1 and 2, or D. neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.